Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to sign in Microsoft Planner. Let's begin. To sign into the Microsoft Planner, you just have to follow these simple steps, alright? So open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Planner website. And from here, all you have to do is sign in, obviously, by clicking the upper right corner, alright? Just log in using your email, phone, or Skype. Now, if you can't by any chance access your account, just click on the section right here and you would be notified on which type of account do you need help with. Is it going to be a work or school account created by your IT department, or a personal account and created by you? After entering your Microsoft 365 account credentials, your email and password associated with your account, you'd be able to sign in with these options. All right. Now, after that, basically you can now access your planner. All right. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the planner hub wherein you can view your My Day right here, and obviously your plans, tasks, and boards. If you're using the Microsoft Teams or other Microsoft 365 apps, you can access Planner directly from the app launcher or the grid icon here on the top left corner of other apps. All right. And similarly, if you're having trouble signing in, double check that they're using the correct account and password. If needed, contact your IT administrator for assistance with your Microsoft 365 account. And once signed in, you'll have full access to your tasks and plan here in Microsoft Planner. You see, you'll notice that you have the access now, and you can do a lot of things here. You can put in the new task, and again, you're always welcome to contact the Microsoft support team and just choose the Microsoft 365 from this option to let them know that you're having problems signing into your Microsoft Planner account. They would give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix them. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.